broken 2016 340i.
If you guys do not know, I do drive a BMW 340i in real life. This is my car. I love this thing. It is making about 450 horsepower. We're on E30. It's been running well for about 60 to 70,000 miles. I haven't had a single issue really with the car, except for one O2 sensor. But now the fuel pump, the low pressure fuel pump has died on me. And I was able to fix it before I left, but now the car has completely given up on me. I did try to drive this car to the airport before I left for Miami. Had a great time out there with my mom, but the car wouldn't turn over. I figured maybe it was just, you know, tripping out again, so I'd reset the adaptations when I got home. Drove this car up a hill. It did start, and then it just died in the middle of driving up the hill. So was able to get it towed, luckily, to my house. I also have a little trick for throwing these cars in neutral if you do drive an automatic F30 or newer BMW. So let's go ahead and take a look at that, because I was struggling the first time to get this car into neutral, and that's what really helped me. It took me a while to find the video though, so here's a little trick. Instead of having to go under the car to unlock the transmission, this is how you get an F30 or newer BMW into neutral.
We are inside my 340i. Essentially what you're going to do is you're going to start the car, and it will obviously not start if you have fuel or engine problems and the car won't turn over. But if you need to put it in a neutral, all you do is grab this here and put it in the neutral position and hold it there until it turns into neutral from park, and that's how you do it. I'm not going to do it now because I don't want to trip this battery out or trip anything out anymore, but that is how you do it, just in case you guys want to know for your BMWs, because I know throwing them into neutral is a annoying thing to have to do, but that's how you do it.
Alrighty, now that we're back here, the car is really reliable. Honestly, haven't had any issues up until this point, but figured I'd document it and start it as kind of like a little build series. Now, since it's broken, I figured it'd be kind of fun to completely build the car back up. It's completely stock in the form it is now. I've taken the downpipe, exhaust, and all that stuff off the car to revert it back to stock to fix the issue. And then from there on, we have a super pump already purchased. We'll put that in as well with the new low pressure and some new spark plugs, as well as it's been about 10,000 miles since the last time the car has had spark plugs, and it is due for some new ones. You always got to keep these cars, you know, reliably maintained, or they won't be reliable. So as long as you do oil changes every 3,000 to 4,000 miles, new spark plugs every 10K or so, you should have a really good running BMW. But things do happen, and a part has failed, so we're going to replace that, and I'll see you guys when we do that. Yo, what up guys, MxgicIQ here at Straight 6 Auto Dismantling in Oceanside, California. I finally got the part for my car. We figured out what the issue was. I'll show a picture of it right here. It actually was the harness connecting to the fuel control module was completely burnt out, so RIP to that. But we have the connector and the wires, and my tech's gonna come by tonight and put that in, so you guys will see that too. So hopefully the car's up and running by tonight. I'll probably need to get some new tires because mine are completely flat at this point now, but at that point the car will be running and driving, so we'll get everything squared away, and then we'll put the fuel pump and spark plugs in tonight as well. And then yeah, I'll put the downpipe back on, go E50, and have a great time. So see you guys when we're putting the parts on the car. Alrighty, you guys, so we're back at the house right now. I actually have my guy Alvin putting in the new harness right now. Hopefully that makes the car start. It's a little late, obviously, as you can see. It's like pitch black outside, so we're not going to put in the fuel pump and the spark plugs till another time, but we're going to do the downpipe at the same time as we are doing those other mods, just because right now our main goal is just to get the car started and everything squared away with the car. If you guys were curious, this is the brand new TU pump that will be going into that car eventually, so look forward to that in the next IRL video. My car might be broke, but your boy looking smooth, I ain't gonna lie.
Definitely out.
Yes sir. Coyotes out here. It's okay, we got that if we need to handle them.
I got a solder iron. You
Just
got
go
a
up and
flashlight?
rush them, bro. They won't do shit. Woo 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 woo.
Ooh,
Ooh, woo.
woo, woo.
Ooh, woo, woo.
Yeah, it makes the wires are so cooked. The red and the brown look the same.
So what could cause that, man? Just constant, you know.
Just high amperage, high resistance. All that good.
You want to show them the other side of it, how melted that is? Oh, that looks real
Look at
good.
that crusty musty right there.
Crusty, musty. Show them the fresh joint. So put them side by side so they can see the difference. But the fresh joint and the crusty, musty joint.
This is my ass at the end of the day at work. This is my ass in the morning after a good shower.
Alrighty, guys. If you guys are wondering where that harness came out of, it actually came out of a like partially flooded F30 M240i, again from Straight 6 Auto Parts. If you guys are in the North County, San Diego area, and you guys need parts, I definitely recommend you guys hit them up. They get more than just BMW. Sometimes they even get like Teslas and like Porsches and stuff like that. They actually just rebuilt a 911 Turbo, so pretty cool shop. I highly suggest you guys check them out. But yeah, we got that fresh harness. It was like a brand new car, but had partial flooding, just like barely. So I got a certificate of destruction, and they parted out like a 10,000 mile M240. Alrighty guys, all the soldering and electronics is done. Time for the moment of truth. Alright, that appears to have been our issue, and we gotta... Alright guys, well, she's running. I guess we're gonna... It's late as shit. See if it's healthy or not. Alright, yeah, we're good to go. Alright, you guys, in the room here, just want to let you guys know I will be doing more IRL content coming up in the future. Let me know if you guys want to see more of this stuff here. I want to cover as much as I can with this car. As you guys can see, we literally have the fuel pump right here. Has been sitting in my room ready to go. This is out of a Supra for the B58 platform, and we also have our spark plugs here as well. So those will be going in the vehicle. Hopefully the car's running squeaky clean and smooth at that point. All of it will be documented, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that, and let me know down below in the comments what else you guys want to see in terms of IRL content, whether it's car meets or maybe, you know, some times in Mexico or something like that. Let me know down below in the comments. I appreciate you guys so much. I can also do car reviews as well. Maybe contact some friends and ask them if they'll let me review their cars. I also have a friend that does IRL content down here. His name is The Speed Addiction. I'll put him down below in the comments as well if you guys want to check out some IRL content from a local guy that has a very fast car as well. Maybe we'll connect with him in the future. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully we'll get these issues solved and we'll be able to push more IRL content. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.